sunlight falls. Lloseta wakes to music drifting through the market stalls. Leather, thread, and wooden lass, the tools of years gone by. Stories stitched in every shoe beneath the Mallorcan sky. Oh, the Lloseta Shoe Fair, hear the laughter in the square. Boots and shoes and memories are gathered everywhere. From the workshops of our fathers to the children standing there, the heart of old Mallorca beats at the Lloseta Shoe Fair. There were hands that shaped the leather, there were hands that cut and sewed, sending shoes across the island and along the mainland road. Though the factories grow quieter and many doors have closed, the craft remains alive today in every pair that's sold. Oh, the Lloseta Shoe Fair, hear the laughter in the square. Boots and shoes and memories are gathered everywhere. From the workshops of our fathers to the children standing there, the heart of old Mallorca beats at the Lloseta Shoe Fair. The mountains watch in silence, the bells ring through the day, while dancers turn and singers fill the evening air with sway. The scent of bread and almonds drifts along the crowded lane, and for a little while the old days come alive again. So raise a glass to craftsmen and the years they gave their trade, to every soul and every stitch their patient fingers made. And when the fair is over and the stalls are packed away, the spirit of Lloseta will remain another day. Oh, the Lloseta Shoe Fair, hear the laughter in the square. Boots and shoes and memories are gathered everywhere. From the workshops of our fathers to the children standing there, the heart of old Mallorca beats at the Lloseta Shoe Fair. Beneath the Tramuntana, where the evening shadows fall, the shoes may tell the story, but the people tell it all.